Hello everyone, I am Ryan. Today something a little strange happened.
Hi, I am Jessica. Welcome back. Thank you for watching our video today.
I am locked out of my apartment. My keys are inside, not with me.
Today you will learn daily routine English and simple plan phrases, mostly A1 level.
Please subscribe to our channel and learn English with our real problems.
Write a comment and tell us which country you are watching from today.
Hey Jessica, thanks for coming. I am really stressed about this lockout.
Hi Ryan, no problem. Take a breath, we can fix it together.
I need my laptop for work. My meeting is in 2 hours.
I have the spare key, but it is at my apartment right now.
How long do you need to go home and come back here?
Maybe 40 minutes. The bus is usually slow at this time of day.
There is a cafe downstairs. We can wait there and practice English.
Good idea. I am hungry and I want some coffee and a snack.
Okay, let's go downstairs now. Please walk with us in this story.
Listen carefully to our simple English and repeat the useful sentences with us.
This cafe looks quiet. I like quiet places when I feel stressed.
Me too. Let's sit outside first, then maybe move inside if it gets cold.
For breakfast, I usually drink tea, but today I really want strong coffee.
I usually eat toast in the morning, but now I feel like a muffin.
My normal routine is simple. I wake up, shower, eat, then start work.
Today your routine changed. First problem, then cafe, then English practice, then maybe work later.
When I order, I usually say, I would like a latte, please.
And I say, could I have a black coffee and a small muffin, please?
Waiting is not fun, but this place helps me feel more relaxed now.
Yes, sometimes a small break changes everything. Patience can actually protect our mood.
Now we are inside. Let's talk about daily routines more clearly.
Good idea. Routines are easy topics and very useful for everyday English practice.
On weekdays, I usually start work at 9 and finish around 5:30.
After work, I normally cook dinner, wash the dishes, then read or watch something.
Today is different. My plan is broken, but maybe I can still finish important tasks.
Exactly. Sometimes flexibility matters more than strict routines. We can adjust and still succeed.
Honestly, I feel annoyed, but I also know this is a small problem overall.
Yes, it is inconvenient, but it is also a safe situation to practice patience.
I can answer emails here, so my plan changes, but the work still continues.
That is a great strategy. Use waiting time for small tasks instead of just worrying.
We are back at my door. The waiting time passed faster than I expected.
Yes, and I finally have the spare key now. Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready. Thank you for helping me and staying so calm.
You are welcome. Let's go inside, and then we can quickly summarize today.
So, what did we practice today? Daily routines, simple plans, and waiting with patience.
Yes, and we saw how a problem can become useful English practice time.
Thank you for watching and practicing with us. Please subscribe and share your routine in comments.
Bye, everyone, and bye, Ryan. See you next time with another simple real-life lesson. Hello, everyone. I am Jessica, your English teacher. Today, we will study English from our story. Please walk with us in this story. Request with would like. I would like a latte, please. Softer request with could. Could I have a black coffee? Direct want is stronger. I want some coffee and a snack. Suggest with let's. Okay, let's go downstairs now. Frequency adverbs. Usually. For breakfast, I usually drink tea. I usually eat toast in the morning. Contrast with but today I really want strong coffee. Feel like plus noun equals mild desire. I feel like a muffin. Sequence with commas. I wake up, shower, eat, then start work. Time phrase for schedules. On weekdays, I usually start work at 9. I will explain grammar, verbs, and sentence use. I will explain why these phrases sound polite. Evening routine phrases. After work, I normally cook dinner. Then read or watch something past simple for changes. Today, your routine changed. Questions about duration. How long do you need to go home? Use maybe to soften answers. Maybe 40 minutes. Modal can for ability. We can wait there and practice English. We can adjust and still succeed. Help plus object plus base verb helps me feel more relaxed. Express patience and ability. Patience can actually protect our mood. Make use of waiting time. Use waiting time for small tasks. Polite yes/no question form. Are you ready? I will show when to use them in real life. Introductions with be. Thank you for plus minus ing. Thank you for helping me. Hello everyone, I am Ryan. Hi, I am Jessica. Be plus adjective for states. I am hungry. I am really stressed. Passive state with be plus past participle. I am locked out of my apartment. Possession and location words. My keys are inside, not with me. Existence with there is /r. There is a cafe downstairs. Imperatives for guidance.